Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat equipped with the Ultimate and FX4 off-road packages. On the front end of the vehicle we have LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights. And under the hood sits a 6.7-liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine that produces 450 horsepower and 935 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding and extending tow mirrors with a blind spot alert, as well as keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our power tailgate as well as our park assist sensors and trailer hitch receiver. This F-350 has a towing capacity of up to 18,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams. This F-350 is also equipped with a panoramic sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start and a Bang Olufsen sound system. We also have a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our heated 60/40 split folding rear bench seat,